So welcome back. I'm just going to take you through the next sort of series of where I'm up to with this video overview of UDL accessibility feature stuff. So I've finished all the videos right through to number 8. I've still got number 9, which I'm doing. This is it right now, and I'm doing a couple of things. It's a little quick intro for you, just to give you a heads up on what's happening under this other section where I've got other applications, video, post-production stuff. So, and the second thing is I've included the webcam box in this one. So you've got my head inside the screen capture version of the video. I meant to do this at number 7 and 8, but where I said I actually forgot to do that. But here it is anyway. So with my extra hair that I'm growing thanks to Corona, in all its glory, I'm going to take you through some really important aspects around what you do in post-production once you have your video stuff, because this is the main easiest point for you to make some really small changes that may have or could have some big impacts on your students or people watching your resources or your video. And that's really in regards to where you save it and transcribing, closed captioning, putting closed captions in there. I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm not an expert at it by any means, and I'm not probably real professional at it either as far as the quality of detail that you could go into. But pretty much I'll take you through my main process and how sort of simple it is, but in some cases it's not as... It's one of those things where the more you do it, the easier it is. You don't have to keep relearning what you may have done or created. So if you get into a habit, it's pretty good. What else is there to do? Not much at this stage, other than you'll see I've started adding all these additional links in from the last time. You may have seen this. And I've also got to go back and redo a couple of videos, which I'll add in, and you'll see those pop up. Thanks very much. I'll see you on the other side of this one, because I'm going to use this video that I just created here to show you the post-production and transcript stuff. So bear with me and I'll be with you in a second.